First sleepover? Oh, we don't really want to see. Oh, it's your first sleepover with us.
Don't worry, you're not going to have any exposure.
No exposure? Oh, I know, it's a new thing. Sleepover with Auntie Sue and Auntie Holly. Oh, no, 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 no. First sleepover. It's your first sleepover. First sleepover. What do you think, Auntie Holly?
I think it's very exciting for everybody. Most of all, Jerry.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry, she's not sleeping with us. She's sleeping in her home. Her home is over there. You're having a sleepover? Yes. First time she's sleeping on the deck. Lucy! Good girl.